Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Facts with Usama. In the article describe a group of friends, including Adam and Callum, track a mysterious figure they call Househead, who is digging holes around an abandoned area on the edge of town. Using a drone, they observe Househead and suspect he is searching for something hidden underground. As the investigation unfolds, Househead discovers 3 ancient core crystals: growth, strength, and energy that, if all 3 are possessed, would render him unstoppable. A professor named Scott reveals that the crystals are buried in secret locations and warns that Househead already has the first 2 and is after the 3rd. The crew races to locate the remaining crystals. Following a map that Professor Scott originally created, they reach the 2nd location, a car scrapyard, where Househead quickly consumes the strength crystal and grows more powerful. A confrontation ensues as the team realizes Househead will use the 3rd crystal to gain ultimate energy. They secure a clue, another map, and scramble to reach the final site, where they encounter the professor again and discover that Househead has cornered him. In a dramatic finale, they use their drone to strike the 3rd crystal, releasing its energy and blowing Househead apart, thereby preventing him from gaining all 3 crystals. The adventurers celebrate their victory and vow to report back to the professor. Signing off as the B team, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.